the day, it is from Chipotle. So when I took the offer, it was 4 miles for a little over, I think it was $14. 3 miles for $14. So it's pretty good. So kind of slow. Look at that. The parking lot is empty for Chipotle. You know it's slow when Chipotle is not busy. So okay, so we got it. And I heard online that Uber is back to normal. So if it's true, the offer is decent, like the offers that I just took it a few weeks ago. Because these 2 weeks, something has been going on with Uber that they're not sending me decent orders. Anyway, so let me back this up and get on the way. We're doing the first drop-off of the day for this house for 71. So let's get this done, guys. Okay guys, so that's done. Let's get on the way. Okay, on the next pickup of the day is from Seabone. It's like a Belgian restaurant. It's very popular. I haven't gotten offers from them in a while. So I got one. When the offer is on Grubhub. When I took it, it was 9 miles for $20. So let me see if they have it ready. Hi, how are you? I got a pickup for Kimberly. We got it. It's time to get on the way. Look at this, just this little package. I get super expensive here. Over here, let's drop off. Doing the next pickup. Hi, how are you?
You're picking up?
Yes, for Tanya. On the next pickup, and this is from Dragon Sushi. I went to another area, the last offer that I did, and the apps just keep sending me offers. I guess if my area doesn't get better, I'm going to start working over there. It's not that far, maybe 10 miles from where I live. I just don't know it that well. Okay, so let me check if this is ready. Get the offer. It's pretty decent, kind of big. So hopefully it has some hidden tips. Working on the next drop-off, and that is for, it is a customer that he always orders and he's inside the place, the Mirage Cigar Lounge. That one right there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me pass the tree. Anyway, so let's get this done, guys. Working on the next pickup of the day. This is from this Thai place. When I took the offer, was 9 miles for $21 from Grubhub. So for Samantha. Hi, how are you? I got a pickup for Samantha.
Samantha?
Yes.
Samantha B. Here we go. This is, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay guys, we're working on the next drop-off and it is for this building right here, 3819.
Feet, turn right.
I think it's this one. Okay guys, that's done. Let's get on the way. We working on the next pickup of the day and it is from this restaurant, Solano's.
Your destination is on the right.
When I took the offer, it was 5 miles for $15. So let me go inside. Hopefully they have the food ready. Hi, how are you? I got a pickup for Alex.
Food?
Yeah, for Uber Eats.
Which ones please? Two
Okay guys, so we got it right here. Now let's pack it. Working on the next drop off. And it is for this house right here. So I'll put this right here. Okay guys, that's done. Let's get on the way. On the first pickup of dinner shift, and it is from the Blue Orchid Thai restaurant. And I'm here. Yes. For B? Yeah, BB. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Working on the first drop off of the dinner shift, and it's the apartment right here on the second floor. Okay guys, that's done. Let's get on the way. Okay guys, we're working on an Instacart offer that I got. It is for 29 items, 32 units, and it's close to 40 something dollars. It's pretty decent. So hopefully they have everything in stock and everything goes smoothly. So let's get this done guys. Okay guys, so it's not that bad. I don't got any products, so they gave me an hour to do this job. Now I got some ground beef and some meatballs. Oh, it's a lamb, so hopefully they have everything. Okay guys, so we are getting this almost over. Still have a few more to go because I got an add-on, so I'm doing that, and hopefully it's not going to give me a really hard time. So we will see. I need to look for these snacks. Let me check. Okay guys, so I'm looking for this one and I'm about to be done. I just have a few more items to go and then ask the customer for a replacement for some salami. So hopefully everything goes smoothly. Having a hard time finding this vinegar. Hopefully they're having a stock, so let me check. Hey guys, I found it right there. I thought it was vinegar. I guess it's a salad dressing. She's almost done. Okay guys, so let's get this done. Okay guys, we're doing the first drop off, so hopefully it's easy to find. 73222, 73222. It's upstairs. Okay guys, so that's done.